Most small to medium businesses have automated nightly backups running in the background. Because the software quietly reports that the job is complete each morning, owners assume their data is safe. But a backup you have never successfully restored is actually just a hope. It is a placeholder for a safety net, rather than the net itself. Take Clearview Accountants, a 60-person practice in Manchester. Their servers back up every single night, but nobody in the office has ever opened a backed up file to verify it actually works. Nothing from hoping your data is safe to knowing it is safe doesn't require a massive disaster recovery overhaul. As we can see on this calendar, it starts simply by circling a date and building a 4-step administrative routine. The foundation of data confidence is not buying expensive new technology. It is establishing a scheduled administrative habit. You need a strict quarterly cadence. Testing once every 3 months is frequent enough to catch failing drives, but spaced out enough that it won't overwhelm your staff. When that day arrives, you must use random selection. If you only ever test the easy files you worked on yesterday, you will miss corruption hiding deep in your archive. Back at Clearview, the office manager blocked out a recurring 30-minute calendar slot for the last Friday of every quarter. For her first test, she selects a mid-sized retail client's annual accounts folder from 8 months ago. By looking at this grid, you can see how random selection works over a year. The highlight jumps from folder to folder, landing on entirely different sections of the archive. Applying that random selection turns a predictable, easily cheated chore into a true comprehensive audit of the entire system. A perfect schedule means nothing if the physical restore isn't actually executed. When you retrieve the data, you have to follow a strict rule of isolation. Watch how this file travels safely from the backup cloud directly into a separate test restore folder, bypassing the main server drive entirely. Clearview's office manager restores the retail clients folder strictly to a temporary desktop space. Next comes the tactile check. She physically opens the restored spreadsheets and PDFs, ensuring they are readable. As this checklist ticks off, we confirm files open correctly and nothing is missing. This deliberate isolation guarantees that testing your safety net doesn't accidentally overwrite your daily work and become a security risk itself. Merely knowing a file opens is not enough. Businesses must move from a simple pass-fail check to practical reality by tracking the clock. You need to understand your recovery window. This is the measured, factual amount of time your business would be paralyzed during a data emergency. Let's look at this timer. Restoring Clearview's single test folder took exactly 4 minutes. But watch what happens when we extrapolate that out across Clearview's hundreds of client folders. Multiplying that 4-minute restore across the entire practice pushes the timer to 8 full hours. Measuring the real time frame strips away optimistic assumptions, forcing a business to face the reality of their true business continuity plan. Memories of a successful test fade. To make this routine valuable, you must turn an invisible IT task into a permanent written asset. As this spreadsheet fills in, you can see the 4 mandatory data points for a valid log: the exact date, the specific data restored, the time it took, and the completion status. After 4 quarters, Clearview possesses a simple 1-page log showing a clean run of successful restores with consistent timings. This logbook holds immense external value when presenting the business to auditors, insurers, or prospective partners. A written record is undeniable proof that your invisible safety net will actually catch you. We have walked through scheduling a quarterly test, executing a real restore, running an honest timer, and keeping a written record. By completing this cycle, you move from the anxiety of the unknown to the absolute peace of mind that comes with a documented system. These are not complex IT overhauls, but rather 4 small, repeatable habits accessible to any small business. As we can see on this final checklist, routine discipline turns a vulnerable hope into an ironclad, verifiable recovery system.